Pating Reviews presents the Razer Blade 15 gaming laptop with an i7-10750H processor, RTX 3070 graphics card, and 16GB of RAM. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get the best possible price. So if you're looking for a brand new 2021 gaming laptop that is super high-end, then I recommend that you check out this Razer Blade 15. This is a super powerful gaming laptop that is super thin at only 0.78 inches. So far, I've been completely impressed with the quality and strength of this computer. It's so powerful it plays all my games at high settings with over 100 frames per second. CSGO, WoW, Roblox, Fortnite, Minecraft, you name it, this system and laptop can definitely handle it with a powerful graphics card with an RTX 3070, with the amount of RAM it has in it, and the great size and durability of it. I can definitely recommend that you won't be disappointed by purchasing this gaming laptop. Here's a bit more information about this gaming laptop. Brand Razer. Operating system Windows 10 Home. CPU manufacturers Intel. Screen size is 15.6 inches. Computer memory size is 16 GB. The GeForce RTX 3070, NVIDIA's 2nd Gen RTX with new RT cores, Tensor Cores, and streaming multiprocessors to give the most realistic ray-traced graphics and improved performance. The 10th Gen Intel Core i7-10750H processor provides the ultimate level of performance with up to 5 GHz max turbo and 6 cores. FHD 144Hz. Incredible performance paired with the fast 144Hz 15.6-inch full HD thin bezel display helps edge out the win. Thin and compact. The CNC aluminum unibody frame houses incredible performance in the most compact footprint possible while remaining remarkably durable and just 0.78 inches thin. Ready to connect, fully loaded with Wi-Fi 6, Gigabit Ethernet, Thunderbolt 3, USB Type-A and Type-C ports, and HDMI for a desktop class experience. Make it yours. Customize the backlit colors of the keyboard with Razer Chroma and expand the memory and storage, making the Razer Blade 15 uniquely yours. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.